Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Does Regions Bank accept coins? I'm going to start by giving you a quick answer, and then I'll go into more detail about the different ways you can deposit coins at Regions Bank. Quick answer. Yes, Regions Bank accepts coins. Detailed answer. There are a few different ways to deposit coins at Regions Bank. Deposit coins at an ATM. You can deposit coins at any Regions Bank ATM. Just insert your ATM card and follow the prompts. Deposit coins at a teller window. You can deposit coins at any Regions Bank teller window. Just bring your coins in a coin bag or roll. Deposit coins using the Regions mobile app. You can deposit coins using the Regions mobile app. To do this, you'll need to have a Regions Bank checking or savings account. Once you have an account, you can download the Regions mobile app and follow the prompts to deposit coins. Additional tips. Be sure to count your coins before you deposit them. This will help you avoid making mistakes. If you're depositing a large amount of coins, it's best to do it at a teller window. This will help you avoid ATM fees. You can use the Regions coin counting service to get your coins counted and rolled. This service is free for Regions Bank customers. Regions Bank accepts coins in a variety of ways. Whether you're depositing coins at an ATM, a teller window, or using the Regions mobile app, it's easy to get your coins deposited and on your way. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're looking for a bank that accepts coins, I encourage you to check out Regions Bank.